Attention! World's first Twitter plus YouTube traffic automation app. Have you tried to spend a lot of time in traffic? Almost time you stuck? Imagine if you get everything in just one software without paying any monthly recurring fees. Best thing is you can save thousands of dollars. Well, imagine no longer, because we've made it possible. Yes, loved by millions of entrepreneurs, business owners, and everyone. Hey, I'm Rudy Rudger, the top internet marketer, and I came with solid software that helps you get instant billions of traffic into your lane. No need for domain or hosting, and no need for content creation. Then listen up. We're building traffic automation software with exclusive training and where you can easily drive millions of traffic in just one click. Never seen before. Introducing
Socifire. Socifire
is the world's first Twitter plus YouTube traffic automation app that drives unlimited, free, targeted buyer traffic in the next 28 seconds.
Socifire
At an amazing one-time price. We'll see you on the inside. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the highest level. If making money online is your intention and your desire on my channel here, I bring out products and programs that will definitely help you do that. And today I have another blockbuster of a product called Socifire, and this one is going live today on the 25th of March 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And this one is being pushed out there by the great affiliate Rudy Rudger, the creator of Newbie and so many other products that I have reviewed, evidence of which I'm going to show you that this guy has a way of doing these products to benefit the generality of mankind. And as long as I am concerned, I have done his products in the past and they have always brought positive feedbacks to me. And today I know Socifire is one of them. In a nutshell, this is a product, a software that is going to help you in different ways. It is the world's first Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube automation app. One-click software that automatically sends unlimited traffic to any link of your choice, including affiliate link, your website, your web blogs, whatever you have out there marketing yourself or your content. This very application will help you do that on Instagram, Twitter, and of course YouTube. Everything automated. And of course, if you have these major platforms, as long as marketing is concerned, I don't know if you need anything else. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And this is basically going to automate these processes for you in a way that will bring amazing degree of traffic, because everything is automatically inbuilt. And if as such this is going to be one software you need for these purposes, I will encourage you to click on the first link below on my description area. That link will bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you will be able to actually use the buttons scattered all over this page to get a copy of this for yourself. And if you stick with me, I will definitely also take you through the amazing dashboard area of this great software and take you through the sales page so that you can see that this is beneficial to you. With that said, we will go into further action as long as this is concerned. When you click that link below in my description area, it will bring you here. You can use any of these links or any of the others scattered all over this page to get a copy for yourself. When you do, it will take you definitely to the sales page, and the sales page will expose you to a certain degree of $5 discount per se, which will drive this very cost of this product further down for you. And if you stick with me also, I will show you the amazing dividends that I have received recently doing some of this. If you click that link on my bonus page, any of them, it will bring you to the sales page where you use this very coupon link to get a $5 discount on the front end of this. And of course, this discount may apply to all the other upgrades of this very product. With that said, let us actually see what we have here. I will also, like I said, show you the members area, the software itself, so that you see how all these very buttons and links, how they are structured in a way to bring out the best on Socifire. Okay, with that said, let us go further on the review and see what we have here for you. Now, if you stick with me, like I told you, you will know that Rudy Rodra, a great affiliate that I have a lot of respect for, will definitely take us with hand to this very review so that you can see that you will make the decision you need to make in order to get a copy of this for yourself. But I can assure you, he is done a lot in the past to prove that he is one of the best affiliates in the marketing industry, digital marketing industry. That I can assure you. So stick with me on this. I will also show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. If you take this video with me to the end of it, you will see those amazing bonuses that I have lined up to complement with this one. Okay, and like I told you before, if you use any of those links when you get to the sales page, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you find under your purchase history a page that looks like this, and you have, with this button, you have access to Socifire as the product you have just purchased, and under it you will find this very button below, which gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you if you eventually stick with me on this. Okay, now let us go and see what I have for you as long as this one is concerned. Okay, and that is to say that we can outline the very purpose for this very review and go through the prices. The front end price for Socifire is $17. With the $5 discount, you have it for $12. And then upsell number 1 for Socifire is the unlimited version of the front end, which goes for $27. Downsell, and it unlocks unlimited features to get maximum unlimited traffic, sales, and profits with just a push of a button. And here are some of the other features for this unlimited version, which complement the shortfalls and the limitations on the front end. And you have unlimited accounts, unlimited traffic, unlimited access to no limits, unlimited downloads, exclusive image editor, exclusive link shortener like Bitly, Kotlin, and the rest, exclusive training step-by-step, millions of stock images, easy to understand software video training, including step-by-step video software guide, dedicated support, and Facebook private group access. So you have all that on the first OTO, which is the unlimited version, which is advisable to get if you are buying the front end. OTO upsell number 2 will be Socifire Pro. It goes for $27, and here you get 300% more traffic, and faster and easier with zero tech hassles, and you get max audience glued to your marketing. Okay, and upsell number 3 will be Socifire exclusive. It goes for $67, and this one is it's done for you setup funnel, integration with autoresponder, approval, affiliates offers, step-by-step funnel training, and 24/7 support. And upsell number 5 will be Socifire reseller. It goes for $27, and this gives you monthly income in the next 24 hours, and you start your own profitable software selling business instantly without any huge investment. No need to invest $10,000 to $50,000 for product creation and marketing purposes. No turning your hair gray for managing customer service and support, and it is kept 100% profit for yourself. So that is basically what you have with the product prices and all the upsells. And here is the demo video that you will watch at your convenience, but I will make sure I show you this demo video right after the presentation of the dashboard area, members area, so that you see that you have access to see how this very one works. My bonus number 1 for you for this will be how to create free professional website, which is a crazy hack that you need to create a position for yourself on Fiverr or any of the freelancing platforms where you market your skills, creating professional website for people, which this very hack is going to teach you how to do. Okay, now my bonus number 2 will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice, and my bonus number 3 should be how to convert your traffic fast, which is a crazy hack that you definitely need. And of course, you have my bonus number 4, as set it to 1,000 on per day on Autopilot. My bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses. So you have 4 amazing bonuses from me and those of the vendor, and of course all these are all crazy hacks and tutorials that will teach you how to complement this product and be able to make more money for yourself online. With that said, let us actually take a look at the dashboard area of this one. You have the YouTube automation, which is what this link gives you. You have the Instagram automation, and you have unlimited images. You have add new tweets, schedule tweets, auto follow, auto unfollow, auto retweet, auto like, and so many things you have with the software itself, the dashboard area of the software. So you basically have not much to worry about this, because everything, the training is going to show you how to automate these processes and be able to maximize your use of this very product if you eventually get it, of course, using the link on my description area. With that said, I will go ahead to show you the demo video of this product in action so that you can see if that will help you actually make up your mind on this one. But I can assure you, Socifire is designed to automate with Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Everything basically done for you. Okay, so now let us see what we have as the sales page area of this very product. And here, like I told you, if you get here, you will use this link to actually get a discount for $5 on this, which means you will be able to have it for less than the price of the front end. That means you will be having it for $12 since the front end goes for $17. Okay, now with that said, let us see what this one is all about, talking about the sales page, which you will be able to read at your convenience when eventually you get here. Okay, you'll be able to read this information and make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But I know that if making money online is your desire, you will be able to see that this is a software that will help you do that. You have automation possibility with Instagram, with Twitter, and of course on YouTube. And I believe it has all the things you need to begin to make money even today. And this is the creator, already my man, and you will be able to see for yourself when you get here all the information you need. Let us see if we can locate the amazing bonuses that the vendor has promised, which I said I'm going to give to you when you use the link in my description area to gain access to this very one. You'll be able to have those bonuses from the vendor, and of course that will be free of charge, alongside the 4 bonuses that I have prepared for you to complement Socifire as a product. Now, this is the possibilities we have here, which you can read. 24/7 support, no coding required, newbie friendly, auto updates, step-by-step training, and commercial licenses always included in his products. So this is what makes the difference between Rudy and most others. And I can tell there are a handful of such creators still existing who really have the interest of the public at heart. Bonus number 1 from the vendor would be messenger bots, which goes for this very price. And bonus number 2 from the vendor will be 1 million high definition amazing stock images. And bonus number 3 from the vendor will be 100 per day. Hold on a sec. 100 per day income system. Bonus number 4 will be 1.5 million funds collection. And bonus number 5, I guess, will be 10 million design elements. Bonus number 6, I guess, is 100 plus done for you YouTube high definition videos. And I believe you have the 7th bonus from the vendor, YouTube traffic case study, and you have the 8th bonus as 100 plus premium team and plugins. And those are the amazing bonuses from the vendor. 8 from the vendor, 4 from me. That's 12 crazy bonuses you have to actually benefit from Socifire as a product. So you basically have nothing to dissuade you from taking advantage of this opportunity and make money online. This is where we are going to definitely end this review. If for any reason you wish that this is going to be for you, like I told you, you will be able to do so using that link on my description area. And if you are new to my channel, this is the time to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button to get notifications. I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye.